Hey, what's going on guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here, and today I'm going to talk to you about seesaw exercises. I'm going to demonstrate this particular type of movement using a row, an overhead press, and a floor press. You will see all three of those being used in our boot camp classes. Now when you perform a seesaw exercise, okay, you want to think back to using a seesaw as one side comes down, the other side is going to go up. It is different from a single arm alternating exercise because on a single arm alternating exercise, one arm completes the repetition and then the other arm completes its repetition, okay? Now I'm going to first show you a dumbbell seesaw row, okay? So you're going to want to look back to my dumbbell row video for the cues in accordance with the dumbbell row. I'm going to hinge at the hips, keep my weight back towards the heels of my feet, come down nice and low, keep my back straight. Now on a seesaw row, as one arm goes down, the other arm's going to come back up, right like so. Now I'm going to keep my back straight. As you notice, my shoulders are not swiveling as I'm doing this one. I'm still focusing on my lats, right like so, okay? If I do a seesaw overhead press, it's the same idea, okay? So I start from my press position, press one arm out. As that arm comes down, the other arm comes back up, okay? And the same is going to go for something like a floor press. Just to demonstrate for you, I'm going to lay down back flat, bring my arms into my floor press position. You're going to watch my floor press video to make sure that you have all your cues right on your floor press. Press one arm up, and then as it comes down, bring the other arm up, okay? Now, a couple of coaching cues that you're going to want to use. Have your clients really focus on stability when they're performing these exercises. Alternating those repetitions like so can oftentimes make them feel less stable. So when they're doing a floor press, keep their back straight. When they're doing an overhead press, keep their core tight, so on and so forth. Okay, so really focus on stability, number one. Number two, make sure that they go a little bit lighter with the weights on this versus a single arm alternating or a regular version of any of these exercises. Reason being, it is going to be a little bit harder, and they want to keep a fast pace. Okay, they want to move quickly through the set when they're doing exercises like our seesaw exercises. Anyway guys, use those coaching cues the next time we do any of our seesaw exercises in one of our boot camp classes.